Okay, Kavana, welcome back to the Sefer Tanya. We are today Monday, Yom Sheni. However, we did not do yesterday, so we're going to continue with Yom Rishon, Sunday, the 6th of Nisan, and we'll do Sunday and Monday. So we've been speaking about the effect of kavana in Torah mitzvahs, that the kavana, the love and fear of Hashem, causes the mitzvah or the tefillah or the Torah study to go up into the sefirot and to unite with the Kadosh Baruch Hu and have a revelation of Elokus in the Sefirot and in the upper worlds, whether that world is Yitzira or Bria, and if it's very great tzaddikim in the world of Atzilus. So let's continue today, or rather with Sunday's Sefer Tanya. Mishama there in the higher worlds, Me'ir and Migale, shine and are revealed, Gamkein also, Hayichud Elyon, the upper unity. Hanase b'chol mitzvah v'talmud Torah, which is occurring in each mitzvah and Talmud Torah. Shuhu yichud b'dosav yisbarach, and that is the unity of his attributes. Blessed be he. So when someone it gets involved with Torah mitzvahs with kavana, we said the kavana is av and yira, is some kind of revealed love and fear of Hashem. So then in the upper worlds, it shines forth and is revealed the upper unity, which is the unity of his attributes. Let's understand this. Blessed be he. Shnichlalot zu bezu, which are included one in the other. So what are the attributes? The attributes of Hashem, meaning Chesed, Gevuros, Tiferes, Netzachot, Yesod. These are Hashem's, so to speak, emotional attributes, and they include each other, and they become joined with each other through Torah and mitzvahs done down here with kavana, and v'nim takot agvurot b'chassidim. So therefore, the gevuros, the side of the left, the gevuros are sweetened in the side of and through the chassidim. So how does that occur? Ayudeis ratzon ha'elyon ein sof baruch hu amir mikaleh b'bechinas gilui rav atzum, through an auspicious hour. Ayudeis ratzon ha'elyon, an upper auspicious hour, ein sof baruch hu, of the unlimited one, blessed be he. Hameir mikaleh, who shines forth and is revealed b'bechinas gilui, in a revealed way, rav atzum, in a powerful, in a massive way. How does that shine forth? The upper auspicious time of the Ein Sof. How does that happen? B'terusa dilatata, by an arousal from below. By down here, the Jewish people doing Torah mitzvahs with kavana, hiyasiya, but mitzvah, it's through the doing a mitzvah or working in the Torah, shebehen, that in them. Melubish ratzon elyon, is dressed up the upper will. Ein Sof baruch hu, the upper will of the infinite one, blessed be he. So here, let's read the note, continuing with the note from Rabbi Weinberg, the revelation of divine will, the will clothed in Torah and mitzvahs, how is that revealed? By Yidden doing Torah mitzvahs with kavana. The revelation of divine will produces a fusion of the midot and a sweetening of the gevurot in whatever world the Torah and mitzvahs ascend to. But the main unity is very, very high in the world of Atzilus, Shisham, that there who Mahus v'atzmus midos of Yisbarach, that there is the essence and being of Hashem's attributes, miyuchadot b'ma'atzilan, which are joined in the ba'amatzilan, their emanator, the Baruch Hu, the infinite one, blessed be he. V'sham, and there in the world of Atzilus, who Mahus v'atzmus tzon elyon, is the essence and being of the upper will of the infinite one, blessed be he. In the world of Atzilus is the essence and being of the upper will. And also, we just got through saying the essence and being of his attributes are united with him there in the world of Atzilus. So that's kind of where the Ikar place is. That's where the main action is, and his primary essence. V'haratan levad v'haratan levad he mi'irat bebriya yitzir nesia, and a glimmer radiates. Only a glimmer comes out, shining in the world of Bria Yitzir nesia, the three lower worlds. B'chol olam mehen lefi malato. In each world that from them is according to its characteristics. So you have the world of Atzilus, which is kind of the root and the source, and then what happens? And then there's a light which shines out and radiates to the lower three worlds, depending on the quality of that world. And even though that the soul of man that is getting involved with Torah and mitzvahs is not from Atzilus, that person's generally not from Atzilus, because in general, Jewish people, the vast majority of Jewish people's neshamas are not rooted in Atzilus, but rather the lower three worlds. Despite all that, the upper will is dressed up in the mitzvah that he is doing. And it itself, hadavar halacha ba'atorah she'osek ba, he ha'elokus Ein Sof Ama'atzil Baruch Hu Shuhu Ratzon Echad. So even though he himself was not rooted in Atzilus, but rather probably in one of the other three worlds, the upper will, which is dressed up in the mitzvah that he is involved with, it itself, that mitzvah is the word of halacha or Torah that he's involved with, is Elokos, is the essence of godliness and the infinite light of the emanator, blessed be he, because he and his will are one. He and his will are one. So when a yid is studying halacha or involved in a mitzvah, since God, he in his essence of being is one with his will, so now this yid is one with the essence of Hashem. And this supernal will is actually the source of the midot. And his will, which shines out it's in his will which shine out the midos are one in him, blessed be he. See how it says over here in English? And this supernal will is actually the source of the midot, since it was by his will that he emanated the midot, which are united with himself. So it's all one. He and his will and his midot are all one. And through revealing his will, the revelation of his will, which is revealed through Torah and mitzvahs, since Torah and mitzvahs are one with him. So now you have the midot fused together. And that's how you have the sweetening of the left side, the gevura, in the chassidim on the right side, based on its own zu. At that favorable time, the person is involved with Torah mitzvahs with kavana. Now that concludes Sunday's Sefer Tanya. We'll get right into Monday momentarily.